Hello everybody, it's Joe the Computer Scientist here, and we're doing more LeetCode. So my goal is just to, keep doing LeetCode and keep practicing data structures and algorithms and just coding until I get a job. Well, not until I get a job. Once I get a job, I'm probably going to continue to do it just so I can stay on my P's and Q's just in case, layoffs ever happen again. And then it happens to me, I'm not like, whoa, I have to start studying LeetCode again. Just keep at it, and keep practicing your problem solving. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But today, I'm going to be doing this LeetCode problem here, Roman to integer. Now, I did it before, but I don't remember what I did. So I'm going to retry it. And I'm using hash maps in C++. And then I'm going to relearn it in Java because a lot of interviews that I'm having are in Java or am told that I could possibly be having because I haven't really gotten it yet. But I'm told that my coding interviews could be in Java. So I'm really brushing up on Java, and that's kind of just what I've been doing lately. So Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols. You got I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. And right here, I have, basically what their values equal. So, for example, 2 is written, I don't know if you guys know, I know how Roman numerals work for the most part, but for example, 2 is written as II in Roman numeral, just 2 ones added together. 12 is written as XII, which is simply X plus II, and the number 27 is written as XXVII, which is XX plus V plus II, which is 10, 10 plus 5 plus 7, so 27. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral for 4 is not written as III. Instead, it is written as IV because the 1 is before the 5. We subtract it, making it 4. And the same principle applies to 9, which is written as IX. So I can use that in my my critical thinking to actually get this to work. When I is before X, then all you're gonna do is subtract X from I. And then it'll be 9 or 4. So, and there are 6 instances where this happens and subtraction is used. I placed before V and X will make it 4 and 9. X placed before L and C will make it 40 and 90, and C placed before D and M makes it 400 and 900. So that's good. I can use that to my advantage. So let's just get right into the coding. So I have this, I already kind of started, as you guys can see. I have this unordered map, and it's a string, and it maps to an integer, and I named it Roman num. So I'm going to go in this, and we're going to name Roman num. And inside of these parentheses, let's just go in order. Let me go up so I can just kind of follow it. We have I, and it equals 1. It's mapped to 1. So that being said, we got all these things here. So we're just going to see out Roman num m, and we have to return an integer. So I'm just going to return 0 just for practice purposes. And we're going to run this. Okay, so as you can see, I'm actually getting 1,000. So I'm going to be using this to basically equal the numbers. So yeah, basically, let's go into this. So, okay, so I'm going to be getting a string. I'm going to have to go through the whole string. So for int I equals 0, I less than s dot length, and then I plus plus. And I'm just gonna see out I just to make sure I have the this syntax right, because I'd be switching between languages, so sometimes I put the parentheses when it's not needed. So I don't know, just gonna print out like some number, whatever number, and you just make sure that the for loop's working right. Okay, that's good. I dot length works. So We're going to be inside of here, so we're going to actually be reading all of them. Let's print out all of what we actually get. So let's see out SI. Okay, so it is giving me the 3 numbers. Now we're going to go into here. I actually forgot one thing that we need. I need to int result equals 0 because it's nothing right now. So you can go in here, and for int I equals 0, I plus plus, then you're gonna just add result plus equals si, not si, sorry. Well, it is going to equal si, but it's going to equal Roman num parentheses si, and it's going to, put it in there and give me like the place at which it is. So yeah. And it should. So let's actually print result afterwards. So just to see what we're actually getting ourselves into. Let's run that, see where we're at. Okay, so I changed everything to a char and I got 1 finally. So now this should be working. So if I run this, result plus equals this, I should get like 3. Oh, I got 0 as the output. But, oh wait, I didn't even actually print out anything. My bad. So, actually I could just return the result and see what happens instead of printing stuff out. Let's just return result, see what happens. And we got 3. Yay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, well, okay. Yeah, I didn't really put in any like, edge cases and get stuff working yet. So yeah, that makes sense. But look, I got 3 right here. That's good. So now essentially what we do with this is, so we already have this working. Let's add conditional. So when do we subtract? We subtract when, I'm thinking if Roman num si is less than Roman num si plus 1, then we'll do this, but we subtract, else we do this. Okay. And then we just return result. That should be it. In theory. Yay. Because, okay, you get what I'm saying? So it only subtracts when the next character in the string is greater than that. So that's why I added that conditional. And then I have this working, 1994. And then, I did this before, like a long time ago. So I submitted it and, I had it passed. But then, I take a while and I forgot. But it passed. Let's go. Whoa. So, yeah. That was Roman to integer. We're doing LeetCode. I'm going to convert this to Java on my own time and just keep on going. But other than that, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And join my Discord. The link is in the description. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My name is JordanTheCS.js on Instagram, JordanTheCS on Twitter, even though I don't really post there a lot. Or X. Keep forgetting that the name is X. But nevertheless, I'm going to see all of you in my next video. So thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because it's flowing so slowly. I so